In this video, I'm sat in a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you how to update the language on the car. So if you're like me, I've accidentally put it into Italian a few times. I'm not sure how. So you need to know how to put it back to English if you're like me. So to do this, we're going to use this toggle switch down here and the main entertainment screen. And we're going to start off with the home page by pushing that button there, which looks like that. We're then going to turn the knob all the way to the right till it says settings and press it in. And then when you're in this menu, we're actually going to be using the right hand push like that and keep going across. So you've got display, safety, sound, clock, vehicle, devices, and then system. So system is where we can scroll down by turning the dial. To language, press it in, and then it comes up with all of your language options, which there is a whole host of options on this car. So I'm going to leave it in English UK, but you could set it to whatever you want. Say if I want to go to English Australian, not sure what the difference is there, but press in, it will change the language. Are you sure? It'll give you a prompt. Yes. Then that'll actually change the language. So there we go, that's all changed and updated. When we go back to menu, that will be now in your desired language. So there we go, that's how to change the language on a 2015 Mazda 3. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.